Hello, my name is Priscilla Lorden. I'm an attorney with Lorden Associates. And over the years, we've represented many Minnesotans in the Minnesota courts of law. And I'm here to tell you some pretty good news, that this year the legislature made a very heartfelt attempt to change the laws so that more people who have committed crimes that are not of a violent nature can get an expungement of their entire record. So the legislature in 2014 made a new law that said you can expunge every single record if a judge agrees that there's no risk, and all of this can be sealed and no one can get at it. And the problem was that too many employers were looking up criminal records of people who had turned their lives around, not reoffended, and had started a whole new life, but it was very difficult to do when potential employers could look up their record. Who qualifies for this new expungement opportunity? Those people who have not committed a crime that is violence against the person. And in other words, you cannot have committed an assault or a rape or any violence against a person or murder. There are different classifications for people who will be considered. First of all, those who were convicted of a misdemeanor or a petty misdemeanor must wait 2 years after they finish probation in order to bring their petition. If the judge feels that it is a benefit to the individual and not a burden to society, then the entire record of that person is sealed and no potential employer is allowed to get at it. Those persons who were convicted of a gross misdemeanor have to wait 4 years from the time that they finish probation before they can bring their petition to the court. And finally, those who had been convicted of a felony must wait 5 years before they bring their petition to the court. One last thing. There are reporting companies that report to employers. They hire them to look up people's records. And if a person is successful in obtaining an expungement from a court in Minnesota, those reporting companies are not allowed to report anything about that criminal record, and if they do, they will have some consequences, which is good news for those who are seeking employment who have turned their lives around. If you would like to talk to us for a free consultation as to whether or not you qualify for this expungement opportunity, give us a call at 612-333-LORD and we'd be glad to help. Thank you.